I just wanted to tell you, Dr. Tai, I am so thrilled with the outcome. I woke up this morning having had the trifocal laser surgery yesterday and second eye. I had my first eye done a couple of months ago, and the one eye was blurry and the other eye was clear, and I couldn't wait to have the surgery done. And today I woke up and it was literally like a miracle. I looked out my window, I saw the distance, I saw all the trees, I saw everything, and then up front, my vision is like nearly perfect. I just can't even believe it, and it's only a day, so I'm beyond thrilled with this. I never imagined that I would feel the ability to be able to see out of both eyes again. I've been seeing out of only one eye because I do monocular for 25 years. So this is like a new life, a new lease on vision.
And if anyone asks you your opinion about if they should wait for their cataract surgery or if they should have their cataract surgery.
Yeah, I would. If you have cataracts, but even if you honestly, if you're wearing glasses and you had the situation I had where you have to have one eye corrected so that you can read, you can see in distance, and the other eye you're reading, and you're messing around with that, I would have done this years ago if I knew then what I know now.
Thank you so much for your feedback.
Thank you. You're my hero.